Hello everyone, my name is Richa and welcome once again on my YouTube channel. Today, through this video, we are going to learn how to answer a pie chart essay in your IELTS Writing Task 1 academics paper. But before starting, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest IELTS update and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. To begin with, first of all, we'll have a look on the sample question of the pie chart essay. Then we'll see the essay structure which you need to follow while writing an essay. Then we'll understand the marking criteria or what are the parameters which you need to fulfill in order to score the desired band in your IELTS Writing Task 1. After that, we'll see the different steps which you need to follow while planning an essay. And then we are going to implement those steps by taking a sample question. And lastly, what are the common mistakes which you need to avoid in order to boost your score. So stay tuned to this video till the end in order to learn a lot about pie chart essay. As you can see on the screen, this is a sample question. This question has got three parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Part 1 of the question gives you the information about the graphics. Part 2 actually directs you that what you are supposed to do with the given information and the graphics available. Then comes the part 3, which is your graphic information. And now comes one of the important parameters which you need to fulfill is the structure. It is very important that you should logically organize your information in the essay. And there should always be a smooth transition between the one paragraph to the another. There are two types of structure and you can follow either of them. In the one, you can start your essay with the introduction paragraph. It's only the paraphrasing of the information given in the question. Then comes your two body paragraphs. Herein, you are actually detailing the information about the graphics. And lastly, the overview. In the overview paragraph, you only write about the main trends of the essay. Or you can start your essay with the introduction paragraph, then your overview paragraph, and then your two body paragraphs. And now comes the marking criteria of the IELTS writing test. There are 4 parameters which you need to fulfill in order to score the desired band. And these parameters are task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource or vocabulary, grammatical range and accuracy. As each parameter is equally weighted, so you can't ignore one for the other. In order to understand these criteria in detail, you can refer to the link mentioned in the description of this video. Now comes one of the most important aspects of IELTS Writing Task 1 academics paper, which is the planning of the essay. Irrespective of the type of question in the IELTS Writing Task 1, there are always 3 steps in the planning stage. And these are, first steps involves analysis of the question. That means you need to identify the type of question and you need to understand the instructions, figure, facts and the excess information in case it's given. Then you need to identify the main features. Here, you need to pick only 2 to 3 important trends of the graphics. And then comes the brainstorming of the ideas and the vocabulary, keeping the essay structure in mind, which involves your introduction. As I've already mentioned, it's the paraphrasing of the information given in the question. Then comes your overview paragraph. It is an overall summary of the chart. You did not mention any figure or facts here. And then comes your detailed body paragraphs. And herein you're going to elaborate the main features which you picked up in the step 2. And now it's time to implement all those strategies by taking a sample question. The question here says, the chart below gives information on the areas of populations of Yemen and Italy in 2010 and projections for 2050. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. And now it's time to implement the planning strategies for this question. The first step says you need to analyze the question. It is a pie chart. There are 2 countries, Yemen and Italy. Population by different ages is given and there are 2 years, 2000 and 2050. The second step involves identification of the main features. Here I have picked up in Yemen, population increased from 46.3% to 57.3% in 15 to 59 years age bracket, while that of 0 to 14 years decreased from 50.1 to 37%. And the same trend for the country, Italy. Here, I have picked up the main features as per the country. You can also pick the main features as per the years. In this step, there are different ways in which you can pick up main features and make the comparison where it's relevant. Now comes the third step, which says you need to brainstorm all the ideas and vocabulary, which involves writing an introduction, overview, and your detailed body paragraphs. As you can see on the screen, this is a sample answer of the same question which we discussed in this video. You can pause the video and can refer to the answer in detail. Last but not least, what are the common mistakes which you need to avoid in your IELTS Writing Task 1 academics paper? The first common mistake is the incomplete analysis of the data. That means you haven't read the question properly and missed some of the crucial information. Then comes the next mistake, which is you're writing an explanation for the data. This mistake happens when you add hypothetical or the imaginary reasons for the change in the figure. You are not at all required to do that. The next common mistake is that you are not writing an overview or you somehow miss the overview paragraph. It is very important that you should stick to the structure and always write an overview paragraph either after the introduction paragraph or at the end. The next mistake is that you ended up writing each detail or trend given in the question. As I've already mentioned, you are not at all required to do that. Pick only 2 or 3 main trends and stick to that. The next common mistake is that you are exceeding the word limit. Although there is no upper cap that how many words you should write, but I always recommend to stick between 160 to 180 words, as this bracket is healthy enough, which will give you enough time to plan your essay, write your essay, proofread your essay, and still score the desired band. Next common mistake is illogical structure. As I've already shown you that what is the structure you need to follow, so always keep that follow in mind, as it will help you to logically organize your information. And last common mistake is not planning before writing. I always stress upon on the fact that before starting writing, be it the writing task 1 or 2, always spare couple of minutes in brainstorming all the steps which we have discussed in this video. Now at this stage, you can either pause the video or can refer to this video once again, pick up any pie chart and start writing the essay in the same manner as we have discussed in this video. If you find the content in this video helpful, don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Also, you can reach me on fb.com/unlockicewithricha. For more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and don't forget to share this video for the other IELTS aspirants. Until then, all the best.